How is Joan Rivers not dead?
Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I didn't give you anything.
Yeah, I know. Shh. Are you serious?
I have a super hangover.
I just sneezed, and you didn't even say bless you. It takes like 2 seconds.
Well, when someone eats 18 cheeseburgers and has a hangover the next day,
Okay, that's not a hangover. Just eating burgers is not a hangover.
I saw the
You have
movie.
alcohol. You saw what movie?
Bridesmaids. Just
That makes no sense. That's not part of that movie.
well, I seriously had like 18 cheeseburgers. I don't want to ever see the word again, or pictures of them, or eat them, or... I mean, I wouldn't say that. I think I actually want cheese. Do you have cheeseburgers?
Oh my gosh. No, I don't have cheeseburgers anyway. And all that time that you just explained that to me, that was maybe like 300 words. I don't know. Couldn't say bless you in there just
Why would-
once? Because I sneezed. You're supposed to say bless you. It's common courtesy.
Oh, the Queen of England with her bouffant.
Okay, do you even know what a bouffant is?
Have you seen me in a bikini? Yes, I know what a bouffant is. Croissant pastry. It's a croissant.
Please just stop talking. So, go ahead. You want to say bless you, or?
I really don't, because you have to earn it.
Wow. Just wow.
I like that game. Oh, guys,
Oh.
count down my birth. Count it down.
No, too
count
busy.
from 10.
No, can't.
Count it down from 10.
No, too busy.
Please count it down.
No.
Please count it down.
No, can't. No.
Please count it down.
No, no.
Please.
Too busy.
No.
No, I don't have time.
Please count it.
No, I don't have time.
Bless you.
Thank you.